Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change symbols and add a y-axis label in Google Sheets. This is a great way to customize your charts and make your data more professional and easier to understand at a glance. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard where all your files and spreadsheets are organized. Take a moment to locate the specific spreadsheet that contains the chart you want to customize. Simply click on it to open it up. Now that you have your spreadsheet open, look for the chart you want to edit. Click directly on the chart itself to select it. You'll notice 3 vertical dots appear in the upper right corner of the chart. These dots represent the menu options for that chart. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Edit Chart. This action opens up the chart editor, which is your control center for all chart customization options. The chart editor will appear on the right side of your screen. You'll see 2 main tabs here, Setup and Customize. Click on the Customize tab to access all the visual customization options available for your chart. This is where the magic happens and where you can truly make your chart stand out. Once you're in the Customize tab, scroll down until you find the option labeled Series. Click on it to expand the settings related to your data series. Within this section, you'll see an option called Point Shape. This controls the symbols used to represent your data points on the chart. Click on Point Shape and a list of different symbol options will appear. For example, if you want to change your data points to diamonds, simply click on Diamond. Just like that, you've successfully changed the symbols on your chart. Now let's move on to adding a y-axis label, which helps viewers understand what the vertical axis represents. Still in the Customize tab, look for the section labeled Chart and Axis Titles and click on it. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. Click on this drop-down menu and choose Vertical Axis Title from the list of options. Once selected, a field labeled Title Text will appear. In this field, type in the label you want to display on your y-axis. This could be anything relevant to your data like sales, temperature, or revenue. After typing in your desired label, you're all set, and that's it. You've successfully changed the symbols on your chart and added a clear y-axis label to make your data more understandable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.